आप एक प्रूफ कर लिए थे होमवर्क क्वेश्चन
सर
you proved director circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square मैंने होमवर्क हो गया
नहीं आया सर।
ओके मैं कर देता हूँ
हाँ सर।
1 to 1 minute डिफरेंशियल पढ़िए क्या लिखा हुआ है रीड द डिफरेंशियल स्क्रीन इज विजिबल टू यू ना that's only you joined the locus of a point of intersection of the two perpendicular tangents to the hyperbola is called director circle it means so you can write equation of tangent to the hyperbola equation of tangent to the hyperbola that is y equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. This is the equation of tangent to the hyperbola. Got it? See the diagram. So, it is the hyperbola. This line is tangent, this is a tangent line, and this is also tangent, right? So now let this is the p coordinate h comma k. So how to get the basically this is the equation of circle यही prove करना ना. So this is basically circle. So now see let p h comma k is the point where the tangent is drawn from outside. So perpendicular tangent इनके बीच का angle 90 degree, right? Angle is 90 degree. Definition में है ना perpendicular tangent to the hyperbola is called director circle. So now it is passes through. It is let p point that it is passes through. It is passes through h comma k. So now k is equal to mh plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. So now k minus mh is equal to plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. So squaring both side कीजिए. So k minus mh k square is equal to a square m square minus b square. So now get k square plus m square h square minus 2mhk is equal to a square m square minus b square. So now see मैंने क्या बोला था make the quadratic equation in terms of m. So m square take common, so get h square minus a square. Take this in the in left hand side and minus 2mhk and constant term that is k square plus b square. B square take minus b square take equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Let m1 and m2 is the root of this quadratic equation. So we know now products of root m1 m2 is equal to c by a. C by a, it means c is this is the c value, right? So k square plus b square by a is, this is the a value, right? We know na ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 quadratic equation. Product root is alpha beta, then alpha beta is equal to c by a. So apply this h square minus a square. क्या गिवन है कि परपेंडिकुलर है, डिफिनेशन में ये है कि परपेंडिकुलर टेंजेंट है, इट मींस कि m1 m2 का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो -1 के इक्वल है, सो -1 m1 m2 इक्वल टू -1, सो k स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -h स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. So after solving it, k square plus h square is equal to a square minus b square. So replace with k, replace with y, and h replace with x. So get x square plus y square is equal to a square minus b square. So this is the locus of director circle. Got it? Tanish, clear है? Concept is clear?
हाँ सर, क्लियर सर.
Shai, clear है? मैंने प्रूफ किया डायरेक्टर सर्कल का जो इक्वेशन होगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ओनली कॉन्सेप्ट इज वी नो ना द फॉर्मूला, सॉरी, definition of director circle. Point of intersection of the two perpendicular tangent to the hyperbola is called director circle. So it means आपको पहले क्या करना है, टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन लिखना है, फिर उसको लेट पी टू टेंजेंट कैन ड्रॉ पाएंगे जब आउटसाइड द पॉइंट होगा हाइपरबोला. सो पी पॉइंट एच को कैलकुलेट करना है, उसको पास कराना है आपको, फिर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम फॉर्म करना है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट अप्लाई करना है. Now most important topic, that is normal. Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Sri, Samhita, any doubt? Shamita? Okay. Now normal. Topic is normal. Same concept, everything here apply in normal tangent. Every time all connections. So we know that normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. Let this is the tangent line. So normal will be perpendicular line, right, to the tangent. So this will the normal. This line is normal. So let point of intersection जहाँ पे tangent है P point x1 comma y1. So and so we can write इक्वेशन जो है एक्स स्क्वायर बाई ए स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर बाई बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. We want to find the equation of normal. So first of all you can write na equation of tangent. Equation of tangent क्या होगा, equation of tangent at p that is x1 comma y1. So equation of tangent is x into x1 by a square minus y into y1 by b square equal to 1. Equation of tangent. Now can you find the slope of tangent, slope of Can you say the slope of tangent? Anyone? We want to find the slope of tangent. X into x1, make y equal to mx to get the slope. So that will be coefficient of minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of y square. Hota hai basically every time the slope m1 is equal to minus of x1 by a square and coefficient of beta y square. So minus y1 by b square. So get slope is x1 b square y1 a square. So slope of tangent is, this is the slope of tangent. So now slope of normal kya hoga? Slope of normal. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. It means slope of normal, let m2. So m2 is equal to minus of 1 by m1, because m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So now m2 is equal to minus of y1 a square upon x1 b square. So if you know the slope and point, we can write the equation of normal. So equation of normal is y minus y1 m2. m2 is minus y1 a square x1 b square x minus x1. So simplify this equation. After simplifying, get in simplify form x minus x1 by a square equal to y minus y1 upon minus y1 by b square. This is the equation of normal in simplified form. Normal. So we need to remember normal equation, that is x minus x1 upon x1 by a square equal to y minus y1 upon minus y1 by b square. So we need to remember this formula, equation of normal. Clear hai? Everything is clear? And any doubt? Now
No,
we need to find equation of normal to the hyperbola in parametric form. Equation of normal, equation of normal to the hyperbola in parametric form. So normal का इक्वेशन क्या है? पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म में कैसे? पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म क्या होता है? पॉइंट क्या होता है? पॉइंट, you need to remember parametric equation of normal. पॉइंट क्या लेते हैं हाइपरबोला के लिए? पॉइंट विल बी, ई पॉइंट क्या होगा? ए सेक थीटा बी tan थीटा, यही होता है ना पॉइंट पैरामेट्रिक में, हाइपरबोला में. सो दिस इज द टेंजेंट लाइन, टेंजेंट, and this will be the normal line, normal. So equation of normal in parametric form, we know that normal equation in point form x minus x1 upon x1 by a square equal to y minus y1 upon y1 minus y1 by b square. So we need to put x1 is equal to a sec theta and y1 is equal to b tan theta and simplify the things. So we can get, so simplify this, x minus a sec theta upon a sec theta by a square equal to y minus b tan theta upon minus b tan theta by b square. Simplify this, get a into x minus a sec theta by sec theta is equal to b into b into b into tan theta b tan theta minus y upon tan theta. Now simplify this. Ax cos theta plus by cot theta is equal to a square plus b square. To simplifying, get, so we need to remember this formula in parametric form. Ax cos theta plus by cot theta is equal to a square plus b square, equation of normal in parametric form. So we need to remember ax sec theta plus by cot theta is equal to a square plus b square. Clear है? In simplified form, ax cos theta plus by cot theta equal to a square plus b square. अगर आपको कुछ नहीं पता हो, किसी भी कर्व का मैं बता चुका हूँ, किसी भी कर्व का आपको कैसा भी कर्व हो, आपको यू कैन फाइंड द टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल बाय डिफरेंशिएट करके आपको स्लोप निकाल लेना है एंड पॉइंट। जैसे इसी क्वेश्चन को इफ you want to do by the differentiation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, normal का equation at a sec theta b tan theta we can find by differentiate करके slope निकाल के point पे and write the normal equation. I will teach in the AOD, application of derivative, these things also. No, find the equation of tangent and normal any curve, don't worry about. So we need to remember for now this formula so that we can get the answer by easily. Now I am writing question on this topic. Question is, prove that the line Lx plus my minus n is equal to 0 will be a normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 if a square by l square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square by n square. बेसिकली आपको प्रूफ करना है कि ए स्क्वायर बाई एल स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर बाई एम स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर बाई एन स्क्वायर इफ एल एक्स प्लस एम वाई माइनस एन इज द नॉर्मल. सो जब भी आपको प्रूफ करना हो इस तरह से तो आपको इन पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म में आपको नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन लिखना होगा एंड आल्सो गिवन. सो बोथ आर आइडेंटिकल एंड अप्लाई द ratio is same and find out the cos theta and sin theta and or cos sec theta or cot tan theta and use the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Please do that, everyone. We are doing. आदिति, आप अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं?
हाँ सर।
ओके, आपने नॉर्मल, मैंने जब नॉर्मल पढ़ा रहा था तो आप थे नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन लिखना है ए।
हाँ सर।
ओके, सो डू दैट। मैंने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पहले भी करा चुका हूँ, हाइपरबोला। Does everyone do that? Sai, are you doing?
हाँ सर।
Tanish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do that. Samita, are you doing? Samita, are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay, do that. इजी है ना? आपको नॉर्मल का दिया हुआ लाइन विल बी नॉर्मल, सो एलएक्स प्लस एमओआई इक्वल टू एन। ये नॉर्मल है, बेसिकली बोला है नॉर्मल। एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या लिखेंगे इन पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म? ए एक्स कॉस थीटा प्लस बी वाई कॉट थीटा इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। ये भी नॉर्मल है इन पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म। दोनों इक्वेशन आइडेंटिकल है, इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 both are identical. 1 and 2 both are identical. जब आइडेंटिकल होता है तो आप क्या करते हैं? कोफिशिएंट रेशियो जो होगा वो सेम होगा, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई का। सो ए कॉस थीटा बाई एल इज इक्वल टू बी कॉट थीटा बाई एम इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर बाई एन। सो यहाँ से आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? कॉस थीटा, राइट? सो ए कॉस थीटा बाई एल इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर बाई एन। एवरी टाइम कंपेयर विथ कांस्टेंट, एंड बी cot theta by n is equal to a square plus b square by n. This is third equation and this is fourth. And come now get cos theta is equal to L by a times a square plus b square by n. Now sec theta will be reciprocal, a by L n by a square plus b square. So now from third, from 4 we can take na, from 4 cot theta is equal to here m na, m M. So cot theta is equal to M by B A square plus B square by N. So tan theta is equal to B by M N by A square plus B square. B by M. So now apply the sec square theta identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This identity. Put the value, get the answer. Sec square theta, sec theta का value पता है and tan theta का value पता है. We got the answer. A square. Put the value and get the answer. ठीक है, sec theta का आपको वैल्यू मिला, got it ना, sec theta. This is the sec theta and tan theta is this. So apply the sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Get the this. I think clear. Concept is clear. Any doubt? Any doubt? Tanishq, doubt है? Tanishq clear. Samita? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Anyone know about the conjugate hyperbola? So first of all, you need to know hyperbola क्या होता है? Hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So in this case, we write b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. Sorry, e square minus 1, e square minus 1. Now for conjugate hyperbola, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. This is the conjugate hyperbola. Or we can write minus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the conjugate hyperbola where a square is equal to, where not b square, where changing, replace with a with b and b. So a square is equal to b square e square minus 1 for conjugate hyperbola. For conjugate hyperbola, a square equal to b square 1 minus b square into e square minus 1. So now hyperbola कैसा होगा? Vertical or horizontal. So conjugate hyperbola is now conjugate hyperbola this will be the conjugate hyperbola diagram. So anyone can say y-axis will be the transverse axis or common conjugate axis. So now this is a y-axis, this is a x-axis. So y-axis is the transverse axis. Transfer axis. and x-axis will be the conjugate axis. अभी क्या हो रहा था? For hyperbola, x-axis is the transfer axis and y-axis is the conjugate axis. But here, x-axis is the conjugate axis and y-axis is the transfer axis. So now, see term related to the hyperbola. Now, term related to the hyperbola. This is the very important things. Terms related to the conjugate hyperbola. Hyperbola. Everything is similar, like so. Center. This is the center. Center 0, 0. So center is first thing is center. Center is 0, 0. Now see length of transfer axis. Length of this will be the vertex, right? So this is the 0, minus b, and this is the 0, b, right? Coordinated 0, b and 0, minus b. So this is a b dash. Let this is a b. Now length between transfer axis. Second is length of transfer axis. Length of transfer axis is equal to 2b. Length of transfer axis is equal to 2b. Now third, that is a b dash is the length of transfer axis. Now length of conjugate axis. See, let a dash is minus a comma 0, and this is the a comma 0. So length of conjugate axis is length of conjugate axis, that is a dash is equal to 2a. Now foci, that this is the s, foci is 0, b, and s dash, that is 0, minus be. So now foci is foci. Fourth point is foci 0, b, and this is the s. S is 0, b, and s dash is 0, minus b. So distance between foci is 2b. So distance between foci, that is s dash is equal to 2be. Now see the directrix. This will be the directrix, and this also directrix. So now equation of directrix is, equation here is y is equal to b by e, and here y is equal to minus b by e. So equation of directrix equation is 6 point is directrix. That is y is equal to plus minus b by e. And now 7 point is length between directrix. Length between directrix is 2b by e. 2b by e is the length of directrix. Now 8 point is length of latus rectum. Length of latest term, that is 2a square by b, 2a square by b. We know now latest sector always passes through focus, so we get the coordinate is we got the coordinate. So length of latest system is 2a square by b. For C terms related, everyone try to see and understood, because these things is very important to understood the about the conjugate axis. If you know the related terms, we will do the definitely with every question. Any doubt on this topic? Any doubt? Any doubt? Aditi, can you say the parametric equation क्या होगा for conjugate hyperbola? पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन, जैसे आप हाइपरबोला के लिए पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन क्या बोलते हैं, a sec थीटा b tan थीटा. सो फॉर conjugate hyperbola पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन आप क्या बोलेंगे? Aditi, can you say parametric equation? Parametric equation, x equal to a tan theta and y equal to b sec theta. Reciprocal हो जाएगा. हाइपरबोला का क्या होता था, a sec theta and b tan theta. So because a है ना हमारा इक्वेशन, x स्क्वायर बाय माइनस x स्क्वायर बाय a स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. This is the conjugate hyperbola na. So if you put the a x equal to a tan theta and y equal to b sec theta, get the 1. So this is the parametric equation of conjugate hyperbola. We need to remember. Everything is clear. If any doubt, you can ask. Samita, any doubt? Terms related to the hyperbola, similar like hyperbola, but only the difference in because axis rotation, conjugate axis is the transfer axis, is the column. So term is changed. Focus is a comma 0 for the hyperbola, but here is the focus is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b, like that. So if any doubt, you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. The Aditi, any doubt?
Sir.
Doubt hai?
Nice, sir.
Shai, any doubt? Now I am writing question on this topic. If
No doubt, sir.
okay, good. If E and E dash be the eccentricity of the hyperbola of its conjugate hyperbola, then 1 by E square plus 1 by E dash square is equal to, आपसे पूछा गया है कितना होगा. If E and E dash be the eccentricity of the hyperbola and of its conjugate hyperbola, then आपको गिवन है कि E है जो इसेंट्रिसिटी है हाइपरबोला के एंड कॉन्जुगेट हाइपरबोला का इसेंट्रिसिटी E डैश है. सो रिलेस 1 by E स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by E डैश का स्क्वायर कितना होगा इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू पूछा गया. एक क्वेश्चन पहले आ चुका है आईटी में. अप्लाई कीजिए. Try to find the 1 by e square and 1 by e dash square. मैंने अभी बताया ना, ए वाला यूज कीजिए आप बेसिक, ठीक है, दिस एंड दिस, इसको अप्लाई कीजिए। हाइपरबोला के लिए आप ए लिखिएगा एंड कंजुगेट हाइपरबोला के दिस, अप्लाई दिस, यू गेट द आंसर। इफ यू अप्लाई फॉर हाइपरबोला, आप क्या लिखते हैं फॉर हाइपरबोला, हाइपरबोला b square equal to a square e square minus 1, and for conjugate hyperbola आप लिखते हैं b square equal to a square e dash का स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे e dash है हाइपरबोला का conjugate, minus सॉरी a square is equal to b square a. So we need to find 1 by a square plus 1 by e dash square. So try to do that and say the answer. अदिति कितना आंसर आया? समिता, have you done? इजी है ना, बी आप लिख देंगे बी स्क्वायर बाई ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ई स्क्वायर माइनस 1, सो 1 प्लस बी स्क्वायर बाई ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ई स्क्वायर, so e square is equal to basically a square plus b square by a square. Now 1 by e square is equal to a square upon a square plus b square. Similarly, 1 by e dash k square is equal to b square upon a square plus b square. Similarly, so 1 by e square plus 1 by e dash k square is equal to 1 a square plus b square upon a square plus b square, that is 1. So 1 is the answer for this question, is equal to 1. See, any doubt? Samita, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So now I'm writing next question. Question is, if a variable line has its intercepts on the coordinate axis, E and E dash, where E by 2, E dash by 2 are the eccentricity of a hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola, then the line always touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. So where r आपसे पूछा गया r का वैल्यू, where r is equal to क्या given है, if a variable line has intercept on the coordinate axis e and e dash, it means कि e को x intercept is e comma 0 and y intercept is 0 comma e dash for the line, and given है कि आपका eccentricity given है e by 2 and e dash by 2 are the eccentricity of the hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola, then the line always touch the hyperbola. It means जो line है वो सर्कल को टच कर रहा है. So आपको r का वैल्यू पूछा गया है. We need to find the r value. Try to do. It's a very good question. Are you trying to do? Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Good. मैं हिंट दे दूं? मैं डायग्राम बनाता हूँ, आप समझ जाइएगा. मैं हिंट दे दिया हूँ, आप इससे सही बोला ना कि जो लाइन है वो है इंटरसेप्ट जो है कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस ई एंड ई डैश है, इट मींस कि एक्स एक्स इंटरसेप्ट ई कोमा 0 एंड वाई इंटरसेप्ट इज 0 कोमा ई डैश, एंड लाइन जो ए बी लाइन जो है वो बेसिकली टेंजेंट है सर्कल का. So we need to apply the perpendicular center to perpendicular distance to tangent is equal to radius. Get the answer. We know now 1 by e square plus 1 by e dash square is equal to 1. अभी तो मैंने प्रूफ किया ना. So apply this. Get 1 by eccentricity of hyperbola is given as e by 2. So e by 2 square plus eccentricity of hyperbola is also given, conjugate hyperbola e dash by 2 square is equal to 1. So get 1 by e square plus 1 by e dash square is equal to 1 by 4. Now center to perpendicular distance standard. This line will be लाइन का टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन क्या होगा, x by e plus y by e dash is equal to 1. ये तो लिखते हैं ना. So now perpendicular distance from center. So get x by e, which means 0 by e plus 0 by e dash minus 1, but a root under 1 by e square plus 1 by e dash square. Mod is equal to radius r. So get minus 1 upon इसका वैल्यू कितना है, रूट अंडर 1 by 4 का mod is equal to r. So now r is equal to 2. So r is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. Concept clear? Basically 0. Any doubt Aditi?
No, sir.
समझ में आ गया ना? साई समझ में आ गया ना? साई Shamita? Shamita? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. One last question, homework question. I'm writing homework question. Very good question. Question is, we need to think and do that. If radii of director circle of x square by a square, mixed question, hyperbola and parabola mixed question, is equal to 1, and x square by a dash square minus y square b dash square is equal to 1, are 2r and r respectively. And EE and EH be the eccentricity. Eccentricity of the ellipse and the hyperbola respectively. Then आपसे पूछा गया है 4e e square 4e e means eccentricity of ellipse square minus eccentricity of hyperbola square is equal to what? If the question is, if the radii of director circles of ellipse, जो ellipse का director circle होगा उसका radius क्या given है 2r, and for hyperbola radius is given r, and given is E is the eccentricity of ellipse and EH is the eccentricity of hyperbola. So आपको इसका value find करना है 4 into eccentricity of ellipse square minus eccentricity of hyperbola square is equal to Tanishq, you know the Samhita, you know the equation of director circle to the ellipse क्या होता है? Equation of, मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ, equation of director circle to the ellipse is we need to remember x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square, and for equation of director circle to the hyperbola क्या हो जाएगा? अभी डिस्कस किया हूँ आज टुडे hyperbola ये डिस्कस किया ना x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a डैश स्क्वायर, a डैश चुके यहाँ पे hyperbola के a डैश का स्क्वायर माइनस b डैश का स्क्वायर. So we need to solve. It means a square plus b square is equal to given है what?